You think you don't need a Nintendo DS anymore? After 3 months with the AYN Thor handheld, that suddenly feels wrong. At least that's what many people in the gaming community are saying. At first, the device seems like just another emulator toy. It has 2 screens, runs on Android, nothing you haven't seen before. But that's exactly where the misconception lies. The real question isn't what it can do, but whether you still instinctively reach for it weeks later. And that's where it gets interesting. Honestly, I didn't expect it either. Many people report that the 2 OLED screens completely change how they remember old handhelds. DS and 3DS games don't just look sharper, they actually feel more modern. Menus on the bottom, gameplay on top, the brain instantly accepts it again. No relearning, no compromises. This is how these games were meant to be played. And before we get to the part no one saw coming, consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. For many, it feels like everything that came before in handheld gaming was somehow wrong. A split layout emulator made people realize just how much immersion they had been missing. To be fair though, this is not a plug-and-play device. If you want perfection, you have to tweak, adjust layouts, optimize emulators, accept small bugs. And yes, updates can sometimes break core features like Wi-Fi. That has happened to some users. It shows that you're not buying a finished product, but rather a system that's still evolving. That sounds like a deal breaker. It isn't if you know what you're getting into. Because once everything works, this device hits a sweet spot no other handheld currently reaches. It doesn't just replace old consoles, it improves them. This is especially noticeable with Nintendo 3DS games. Higher resolution, better colors, a clearer image, games that once looked okay suddenly feel like remasters. And that's exactly why people keep coming back to it. Not for everything, not for every platform, but for this one specific use case, and in that, it's unbeatable. So the real question isn't whether it's good, it's whether you're willing to live with its flaws to get exactly this experience. Subscribe for more videos like this.